Hello once again, welcome back to our channel. If you are coming across our video for the first time, don't wait to subscribe to this channel. If you are watching on YouTube, by hitting the subscribe button. If you are watching on TikTok or Facebook, follow our channel on Facebook. Hit the like button on Facebook and TikTok. We've been treating the topic Exponent for a while, and today we'll continue with the series. I posted some questions on Facebook which I'm going to solve in the next few minutes. I've always told you maths is not a very difficult subject, as a lot of people thought it to be, and I'm going to prove it to you in the course of our study in this channel. Now, one of the questions I posted is what you are seeing on the board right now. S to the power c times 3x to the power 2 and 9x cubed equals s to the power 6. I have to find the value of c. Actually, there are two questions. I'll solve the other one immediately after this one. But before I look at this, let's take a look at this question. Supposing you have a question like this: if 2 to the power x equals 16, and then you ask to find the value of x. If you understand the simple question on the board, then you're able to apply the rules of exponent to solve this one. It's very easy. Now take a look at this one. First of all, think of a way to write 16 so that you have a base of what, 2. 16 actually is the same thing as 2 raised to the power 4. You can obtain this one using the long division. 16 divided by 2 is 8, 8 divided by 2 is 4, 4 divided by 2 is 2, and 2 divided by 2 is 1. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the 2 raised to the power 4. So now, the bases are equal on both sides. Whenever you solve questions in maths, and you get to a point where you find the base is equal on both sides, the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side. What it means is that the powers are definitely equal. So x equals 4. It's simple, right? Just as simple as that. Maths may be tricky, but it's not actually more difficult. Now let's take a look at this question I posted on Facebook. If you want to solve this particular question to get the value of c, the first thing you do is think about a way to write. Okay, let's say like this one is in the brackets. We open up the bracket first. If I open up that bracket, what I have is x to the power c. This 3 will be affected by the power 2. So we have 3 to the power 2. And we have x to the power 2 all over 9 x to the power 3 equals x to the power 6. So now, if we solve this one, 3 to the power 2 means 3 times 3. Okay, I'll erase this one now. You can always rewind the video. So 3 to the power 2 means 3 times 3, and that is 9. And then we have x to the power 2 all over 9 x to the power 3 equals x to the power 6. So from here, this 9 here, we cancel this one here. There are 2x here, and here we have 3x. 3x as x gives x to the power 3. So this one, strike off 2 from here, so you are left with 1. So we have x to the power c over x equals x to the power 6. So what I do next from here, since I'm looking for the value of c, I'll do what is called cross multiplication. We cross multiply. So we have x to the power c equals this x to the power 6 here. Multiplying this x. So that this x to the power c, you see I have that, x to the power c. So if we apply the first rule of exponent which we treated in our first lecture, there's x here, there's x. And this one is simple as x to power 1. So the base are equal. So I'll take one of the base x, and then I'll add up the power 6 plus 1. So I get x to the power c equals x to the power 7. And from what I just did in example 1, said the base are equal, it means the powers must be equal. So that means c here is equal to what? 7. A very, very simple question. Even though it looks a little complicated here, you find that it's not as difficult as it looks. Okay, for the third question I posted, is actually 2 questions. So the second question actually, it says 18 x to the power 4. Okay, let me put it this way. (18x to the power 4 plus 27x to the power 3 minus 36 x to the power 2 all over 9x to the power 2. We actually asked to simplify. We want to simplify this one. Look for a common factor here. The common factor is 9. Bring out 9 as a common factor. 18 divided by 9 is 2. Yeah. Okay. Actually, it's not 9, it's 9x squared. So 18 x to the power 4 divided by 9x squared. That was 2x. 27 divided by 9 is 3. Is s squared. Then s cubed divided by s squared, that will give us x. So we have minus. So we have 36 divided by what? 9. That was what? 4. Then s squared divided by s squared, that will be 1. So that cancels out all over 9x squared. So this one, we cancel this. Look at that. Just as simple as that. That means the final answer becomes 2x squared plus 3x minus what? 4. It's actually an objective question, so we go back and check the options. You should find 2x squared plus 3x minus what? 4. It's as simple as that. So mathematics is not a very difficult subject. So until I come your way next time, have a lovely day ahead.